Hi, this is Tess with ROE Dental Lab, and I'm here to talk with you today about the world of digital dentures and how we're digital so you don't have to be. Today I want to talk with you about patient benefits that come with fabricating their case as a digital denture. We know that final dentures can take quite a few visits to get them into a final prosthetic typically, whether they come to us from an edentulous stage, maybe they had extractions done and there's no denture in currently, or they have an ill-fitting, immediately loaded denture that they can no longer smile or chew with and they want to get into their permanent prosthetic. With ROE's digital denture process, it actually only takes 2 visits as opposed to 6, 7, 8, however many it can take sometimes to get these cases right, to fabricate their final denture. And to touch on that just a little bit more when it comes to how they benefit from that, we go right from a bite block to a final denture. And sometimes that can be a little nerve-wracking or scary because we are getting rid of the wax try-in, but what we can do from there is at that second visit, they can either wear that final denture home, or if they'd like to make changes, whether it's aesthetic changes to the midline, VDO, whatever the reason might be on your end or their end, we still offer the benefit of being able to send that denture back and perform what's called a reverse reset, meaning we reprint the denture, return it to you, and the patient can either wear that home or we can continue to make changes. Still minimizing the number of visits it took us to fabricate this denture and getting your patient into a final denture sooner. If you have questions regarding how to fabricate a digital denture or you're ready to send your first case in, feel free to call into our lab and talk with one of our experienced technicians, or if you'd like to study up a little bit more in our process, we have a free ebook covering digital dentures online right now you can check out. Please stay up to date with us as well on the latest and greatest technologies by following our social media platforms, and thank you so much for tuning in. We're excited to fabricate your first digital denture case with you.